Guys, so it's already 6:30 na at this moment. So it's February 18, 2025 today. So dito na ako guys sa kanto namin and I'm waiting for the bus. Sana meron nang dumaan because meron kaming quiz ngayon guys. So update ko kayo later. Guys, it's already 7:30 na at this moment. So, I'm already here na guys sa department namin and 7:30 yung quiz namin. So, I'm waiting for that. So, dito ako ngayon guys sa may hagdan. So, bakit na ako? So guys, dito na kami sa classroom. So, naghihintay na kami ng teacher namin for the income taxation. Transfer in business taxation guys. Quiz namin, 7:30 to 9 AM. So, after nito guys, subscribe sila sa channel niya. Ilalagay natin dito. Yan.
Dinilit niya.
So guys, 7:30 AM to 9 AM lang yung klase namin, tapos bounce na kami after this. Tapos bukas, maraming quiz guys. So, ayan. Calculator ko na magpapanggap na naman mamaya kung may mapipindot. Ayan guys. Titignan natin guys kung may magagamit natin later. So guys, 9:25 na at this moment. So kakatapos ng quiz namin for the business tax guys. So ngayon dito kami sa printing shop para magpa-print ng activity pa yung bukas. Tapos after nito guys, huwag na kami. So naghihintay lang kami na print guys. So guys, kakatapos namin magpa-print 9:30 per at this moment. So pauwi na kami. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa SR. It's already 9:39 at this moment. Bibili lang ako ng biscuit guys. So guys, bumili na ako ng ballpen tas na grocery guys. So ngayon pauwi na kami ni friends. Punta na kami terminal guys. Ayun yung bus so sayang. Bye bye guys. So guys, it's already 11:37 at this moment. So dito na ako guys sa kanto namin and I'm waiting for the bus. So kakarating ko lang naman dito guys. Yung klase namin understanding the soul from 12:30 to 2 PM. Tapos 2 PM to
3 PM which is yung physical education, guys. So half day lang kami today kasi kanina is wala kaming teacher. May mga meeting daw sila. Nag-cancel ng klase kaya ngayon pa lang kami papasok, which is yung subject namin today is puro quiz. So nag-review lang ako kanina umaga, ginamit ko yung time for the review. So sana hindi ako matagal maghintay, guys, kasi ang hirap makasakay dito. So guys, 11:43 na at this moment. So wala pang bus. 12:30 yung class ko. So sana makaabot ako, guys. May quiz pa naman. Update ko kaya. So guys, 12:19 at this moment. At I'm already here na, guys, sa Pimso. So naglalakad na tayo papunta ng campus. So guys, 12:29 at this moment. So, nandito na kami sa classroom for the understanding lesson. Quiz namin ngayon, guys. Hopefully, mapasa tayo. Guys, 1:47 at this moment. Papunta kami ng gymnasium para sa last class namin for today from 2 to 3 PM. So, sama namin kayo. Guys, it's already 2:20 na at this moment. So, kakatapos lang ng quiz namin. So, okay lang naman. 1 to 20, guys. 2:29 at this moment. So, kakatapos ng quiz namin. So, magre-record na, guys.
you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you.